Django Haystack, how to filter search results by a boolean field. Trying to filter a search query set by a boolean value doesn't work for me. I am using the provided simple backend search engine while testing. I have an index like and I use a custom form for the search. If I set the has_been_sent option to yes or no in the form, I always get 0 results, which is clearly wrong. I've also tried in the shell, with no luck. sqs.filter has_been_sent equals true, and sqs.filter has_been_sent equals false, both return an empty list, even though sqs.values has_been_sent clearly shows a bunch of records with true values for has_been_sent. And even stranger, sqs.filter has_been_sent equals t, returns a subset of records, along with f, a, and unrelated letters like j. I'm at a total loss. Does anybody have experience with this sort of problem with Haystack? On a related note, are the fields you filter on through search query set.filter from the index fields, in search_indexes.py, or the model fields, in their respective models.py? Edit. I've been attempting to test my filters through Django's manage.py shell, but I think I'm doing it wrong. It doesn't seem to be following my search_indexes.py, since I limited it to a subset of mymodel with the index_querySet method there, but I get all objects of mymodel in the shell. And then some testing. Because I get a subset when filtering on the fake field, I don't think it's recognizing has_been_sent as one of my filter fields. Especially since the results for t and f don't add up to the total, which it should, as that boolean field is required for all records. Am I missing a step in my testing?
It appears that the problem was in the simple backend. I installed and switched Haystack over to Whoosh, and this problem cleared up. Now search query set models doesn't work, but that's apparently a documented bug with Haystack plus Whoosh. Edit. Due to further troubles with Whoosh, I switched to using Solr 4.5.1 as my backend. Everything is working as expected now.
Try to filter as a string true or false in the query. This has been the known limitation in Haystack, and I am not sure if this is fixed. Instead of do this. PS When you do search query set.filter, you filter based on the fields defined in search_indexes.py file.
Thank you.